Let's talk about senior pet health care. The care of an older pet is very important. Our dogs and cats are following our trend of first world diseases, and so they are living longer, and that means that their bodies age and not all the organs age at the same rate. Furthermore, some of these aging signs are not obvious and may need to be detected by laboratory testing or imaging like x-rays or an ultrasound. So firstly, what is an older pet? A dog or cat that is 7 years or older is classed as a senior pet and will show the same age-related declines in organ function as a 55 to 60-year-old human. If it's a giant breed dog, however, they are senior when they are only 5 years of age or older. When pets to get to a very advanced age, that's 13 or older in a cat, or 13-year-old in a smaller dog, 11 years of age or greater in a large breed dog like a Great Dane, they're actually considered geriatric, and they should have a biannual, that is twice a year checkup. That is because things can change a lot more rapidly. The idea of a senior health check is to pick up these problems really early on. In one study done about 10 years ago in South Africa, 1 in 3 older dogs who were randomly selected for laboratory testing of urine and bloods were found to have clinically significant abnormalities without abnormality that an owner had seen in most instances. When you pick up a problem early, it's easier to treat, you have a better prognosis, it's often cheaper, and it may keep your pet out of harm's way and therefore alive for longer. And if you didn't get your pet to live for a long time and be your companion for a long time, we might ask ourselves why you got it at all. In our clinic, the most common senior health checks are a morning procedure that comprise, for example, blood and urine checks to detect organ dysfunction, ECGs and checks of heart rhythm, looking for abdominal masses, tumors, organ changes, a set of chest x-rays to look for lumps or bumps or airway disease, and hormone tests like the thyroid hormone, which becomes increasingly important in older cats and dogs. These tests, when they're done, may not unmask anything, but if they do, it may say that this pet shouldn't be vaccinated because we can't expect that they will have a proper reaction to the vaccine and generate immunity. And immunity is very important to older animals. Just because your pet is old, please don't stop vaccinating. As they get older, their immunity wanes, and you need to keep supporting that, and their response to that is generated during their middle years. Senior health care is a very important part of keeping a very treasured pet with you happy, healthier, and longer.